Hello guys, good morning to you all. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will take class 9 computer. Chapter name is operators. Okay. In this chapter, a small part today we will learn, that is increment and decrement operator. From this section we will get 5 to 6 questions in ICSE board examination. Okay, let's start. In arithmetical operator we have unary operator, a part of arithmetical operator. So in this unary operator, that two operators are increment operator and decrement operator. Mainly increment operator symbol is plus plus and decrement operator symbol is minus minus. Okay. Here two words we all can see, one is prefix, another one is postfix. Prefix, this pre and post means we have to include something before and after. Pre means before, post means after, and fix means the action will be changed. The full word prefix means change before action, and postfix means change after action. What will change? Suppose you got A plus 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 B plus plus. Initially you have A equals to 5 comma B equals to 6. Now in this part, this is the equation, you have to solve it using these two value. How we will do that one? Change before action, that means prefix. Yes, this is a prefix operator and this is our operand. Suppose initially you have 6 for B. When you will get this symbol, that means plus plus, just before the B or whatever variable you will get in your question paper, just you have to add with this 6 and the new value you have to write in this place. In this example I will show you how to do. Initially A equals to 5. Okay, so in this expression we have A plus plus. This plus plus means postfix operator, this one. So initially A's value is 5, so we will put here 5. Change after action, we have already written 5 for A. Now we have to change, that means for this operator we have to add 1 with 5, that means 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Just in one place write down new value of A equals to 6. Come to the next part, B plus plus. Initial value of B is given 6. Same here, this is also postfix operator. So only 6 you have to write, but after written this 6 you have to check postfix means change after action. That means you have to add 1 with this 6. So 6 plus 1 means 7. So current V's value equals to 7. Okay, we have to keep it in mind, as well as you can write in one place for your safety purpose. Now this minus is a normal arithmetical operator, it's binary operator. We will write here. After that, given plus b, that means it's a prefix operator. Prefix means change before action. Current B's value equals to 7, but we have to change before action. That means add 1 with this 7, that means last value. Now B equals to 7 plus 1 equals to 8. So now our current value of B equals to 8. You have to write here 8. In this way we will put this equation. Now you have to simplify it. 5 plus 6 means 11 minus 8, that means final value equals to 3. This is your answer. In this way we will solve prefix and postfix operators expression. Another one example I have taken here, that is, if m equals to 12, then find the n equals to this equation. We will solve it. For this, just remove this place, it will be better. Okay, now m equals to 12. Here m plus plus, it's a postfix operator, no issues. We will write here 12. Okay, then multiplication symbol, just put here simply, then 6 is a digit, note down here, then plus. M's value is 12, we have put here, but here postfix operator, that means 12 plus 1, we have to increase 1. Now m value equals to 13, that means it will be changed for this postfix operator. So now current value of m equals to 13, keep it in mind, otherwise you can write in one place m equals to 13 in this way. Now you have minus minus, it's a decrement operator, not increment. So what will our function, and it is also a prefix operator, that means we have to reduce 1 from the last value of m, then we have to write here. That means our last m's value is 13 and we have to subtract 1 from this last value. So 13 minus 1 equals to 12. So now m's value is 12. We will write here 12. Now we have to simplify it. 12 into 6 plus 12. Here we have to follow the Bodmas rule. BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first multiplication, then addition is there. So just simply 12 into 6, 72 plus 12 equals to 84. Yes, this is our answer. For this next part, you all will do this problem. Question is, if P equals to 5, then find D equals to plus P plus 5 multiplication minus P. This problem you will solve and reply through comment section. I hope you have no doubt after this class. Thank you students. Subscribe my channel as well as hit the bell icon and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.